Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices. Check the Carens head unit firmware and update Android Auto app on your phone. Once done, plug an original high-quality USB-C cable into the front dash USB port to avoid power/data split. Make sure Bluetooth and location services are on in your phone settings so the car can detect it. You don't need USB debugging. In fact, leave developer options off. Now unlock your phone and keep it awake during the first pairing process for a smooth connection. You will now pair and grant permissions step by step. When the Carens displays a Bluetooth pairing request, accept it on both the head unit and your phone. This establishes the basic link. Next, allow Android Auto permissions, contacts, messages, location, and notifications, because the system needs them to show calls, directions, and messages. If the car asks wired versus wireless Android Auto, pick wired for first-time setup to ensure reliability. Keep screen prompts visible and tap Allow, and then select Android Auto from the Infotainment menu. You finish by verifying projection. The Android Auto home screen should appear and audio should route through the Carens speakers. Test navigation and a call to confirm microphone routing. If the screen stays blank or keeps reconnecting, first swap to another certified USB cable and reboot your phone and the car's head unit. If problems persist, clear Android Auto app cache on your phone and delete the car from Bluetooth, then repair. These steps fix most connection quirks quickly, so you can drive with a reliable interface.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.